In this program, we're going to learn about earthquakes. What is an earthquake? An earthquake is the sudden and violent shaking of the ground. Most earthquakes happen because of the movement of tectonic plates underneath Earth's surface. What is a tectonic plate? The Earth's outer layer is called the crust. It covers the Earth like a cracked eggshell. The gigantic pieces of that eggshell-like crust are called tectonic plates. They fit together like a jigsaw puzzle and create Earth's outer shell. The tectonic plates naturally move along their edges known as fault lines. The San Andreas Fault in California is an example of a fault line in the U.S. Earthquakes happen along these fault lines. Usually, the tectonic plates move smoothly by each other. But in places, sometimes they catch and can't move past each other. The two plates push and push against each other until one finally shifts, causing an earthquake. The epicenter of an earthquake is the point on the surface of the Earth directly above the underground earthquake. Scientists think there are as many as 500,000 earthquakes a year, although only 100,000 can be felt at all, and only about 100 of those actually cause damage. Some earthquakes occur near volcanoes. The surface of the Earth near the volcano will shake before an eruption, causing an earthquake. Volcanic earthquakes are usually too weak to be felt, but can be detected through sensitive instruments. The strength of an earthquake is measured on the Richter scale, in something called magnitudes. An earthquake with a magnitude of 1 on the Richter scale is barely noticeable. The strongest earthquake ever recorded was in Chile in 1960. It measured 9.5 on the Richter scale.